Searching for an Avigilon certified partner, dealer, or authorized installer. Here's what actually separates one, and it isn't the badge on the website. A certified installer doesn't just mount cameras. They deploy Avigilon's smart video analytics and tune them to your building so the system finds what matters. Take appearance search. Tag a person once, say, a red jacket and a backpack, and Avigilon Unity pulls every clip of them across every camera in seconds. The hours of scrubbing footage? Gone. One search, every angle, one timeline. Or unusual motion detection. Unity learns what normal looks like for each camera on its own. Then it stops showing you quiet feeds and starts flagging what doesn't fit. The car circling the lot, the door propped open after hours, the loiterer at the back gate. At the gate, license plate recognition logs every plate that drives through. Add one to a watch list, and the second it returns, your team gets the alert. Every vehicle, time-stamped, on the record, automatically. It all runs in Avigilon Unity, one platform, cleared for U.S. Department of Defense networks. But here's the catch. These analytics only deliver if the system is designed, installed, and tuned right. That is the whole job of a certified installer, and it's where most installs quietly fall short. So choose your Avigilon installer on that. Safe and Sound Security designs and installs commercial and government security systems nationwide. 20,000 plus locations protected over 19 years. Avigilon, configured to actually work.